welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have Stitch Fix. So I don't know if you guys remember my last box, but I got a new stylist my last box and I wasn't too pleased. There was nothing wrong with the fix, it just wasn't, it was just So I ended up returning everything and they asked me if I wanted a quick turnaround and get another fix. So I said sure, why not? At the same time, I emailed customer service and I asked them to pair me back up with the stylist that I had. I really liked her. Her name is Jaden, or him. I don't know if Jaden is a he or she, but I do like Jaden. I think he or she reads my notes very carefully and tries to find me as best matches in what my requests are, because I do have certain wardrobe holes that I'm still trying to fill. Welcome new subscribers. I noticed I had a few new ones in here. So today I have a Stitch Fix, and Stitch Fix is an online styling service that you do a style profile online, and a stylist gets paired with you and you get sent from a specific warehouse, and they send 5 items in your fix. You can leave your stylist a note and they try and do their best to find things that you're looking for in addition to what your profile has. In addition to that, they have an app, and on the app they have the daily style shuffle, which uses AI to try and get what your likes and dislikes are by doing a thumbs up, thumbs down game. I do that regularly. I have a Pinterest board. I use their new inspiration board. So I give Stitch Fix every possible information I can about me so they can give me the best possible fix. So let me show you first in your fix. You know, shipping is free both ways. It's $20 per fix. You don't have to schedule it at all. You can do it on demand if you want, or if you want to do it every 2 to 3 weeks, every month, every quarter, however you want. I do mine every 2 to 3 weeks, but lately with COVID and the holidays, it's been more like every month that I'm getting it. It comes with style cards that you can style each particular outfit, as well as a note back from your stylist. I'll read you my note. Hi Carolyn, I'm so excited to be styling you again today. I tried to find pieces to fill all of your requests. These are always helpful, keep them coming. But the only piece I could find was an olive cardigan. I sent you one by Pink Clover and it's super soft and mid-weight. What do you think? I know you want some brown cords, but we only have the violets and roses pair in navy. How do they fit? These would look great with the design history asymmetrical pullover for a pop of color. The VUORI pullover is a moisture-wicking, anti-odor, and UPF. How do you like it? I know you like bell sleeve tops, so I sent you this one by Fortune and Ivy in dark purple that's great for this time of year. Please let me know how you like the fit and style of all these pieces. Jaden. Okay, so go through the items and you get a price list. All right, the first item are the Violets and Roses Aurora High Rise Corduroy Navy size 0, $58. My first impression of these is I'm disappointed, because literally last month I got a pair of navy corduroys cut from the cloth, and I sent them back saying I have a lot of blue. I have navy jeans, I have dark wash jeans, I have navy pants. I really don't need any more navy. I mean, at least not right now. Okay. These are only $58 though, and one thing I want to note, they're a fine gauge corduroy. I don't know if you can see that. It's very fine. It's almost like velveteen. And it has the waistband like a Democracy or Wit and Wisdom would have. Violets and Roses, I believe, is just a Stitch Fix exclusive name brand, so I am almost wondering if Democracy is making these for them. So I found that kind of interesting. I'll try these on. Unlikely to keep them because I just don't need them. Okay, that's the first item. The second item is the Design History Bailey Asymmetrical Button in gray for $68. My first impression of this is that it is not worth $68 at all. I would say this is a $40 to $50 sweater. My second impression of this is that it looks small. Even for an extra small, it looks small. My next impression, just give you some detail, there's just buttons down the side and it's like asymmetrical on the bottom. And I'm not so sure I like that, to be honest with you. The buttons on the side I don't mind, but it being asymmetrical, I'm not so sure about. And to be honest with you, the buttons are nice, but the buttons are brown and the sweater is gray. So I don't know, I'm kind of like matchy-matchy, and I'm not so sure I like that. And the last thing that I don't like about this sweater is I don't care for the crew neck in this. I think between the color and the crew neck, something screams old lady. Sorry if you like it, or, you know, it just, to me, it seems a little matronly, you know? So, I don't know, I'll try it on, I'll see what I think, but right now, I don't think so. I don't think this is for me. Okay? Next up is this Fortune & Ivy mixed material bell sleeve blouse in dark purple. So the front is polyester and the back is a mix, so it's soft in the back. And it has these little buttons here just for decoration on the shoulder. Oh, wait a minute. Are they just for decoration? Yes, they're just for decoration. They actually have loops though, but it is just for decoration. You know, I don't know if I mentioned this or not, but I am not returning to an office. I'm permanently work from home. The last thing I need is another blouse. So I'm gonna have to let her know no more blouses because it's just nothing that I need. But this is pretty. This, if I were still working and going to an office, or even planning on ever going to an office again, this would be something I might be interested in, but I'm not. So this is going to be a no. Okay. Next up is this VUORI Crescent Performance Pullover. Like she mentioned, gray, extra small, okay? First impressions, this is a high neck. And I'm not so sure I quite like this. I mean, yes, it can be zipped down. I'll have to see how it lays. But if it would flop up against me while I'm like working out or whatever, I don't think I would like that. So that's first impression. Second impression is this looks tiny, teeny tiny. I will try it on, but it looks so small. I can't have something like glued to me. This is nice though, besides the fact that it has also a place where, like a pocket here, where you could put a little key. So I really like that about this top. And like she said, it was sweat-proof, odor-proof, UPF, which is pretty important to me because I burn very easily. You know, I'll have to see how it fits in the neck. You know, it's a possibility. I mean, it's something that I could use, but I don't know about the fit and how it's going to lay. So that is a possibility. And I did ask for dry fit tops because I do need them. Okay, last up is the thing I'm most interested in. This is the Pink Clover Penton 2-pocket cardigan in olive, size extra small, and it's $46. Super soft, not a bad price. It is an open front cardigan with the 2 pockets in the front. It is in a dark olive. The fabric content is 55% viscose, 45% nylon. It is dry clean only. So if it fits and goes with what I want it to go with, I will be keeping this and just suck it up and deal with the dry cleaning, because this is a really nice sweater for the price. I really like it. I didn't tell you the material fabric on this sweater, the asymmetrical one. It is, let's see if I can find it in here. Maybe I can't find it. 77% cotton, 30-something percent acrylic. So acrylic and cotton. So the material is a decent quality. At least it's not all 100% acrylic. But I don't know, it's not really my style. So give me a minute and I will do a try on. Okay, first up is the Design History sweater. And I have to say, it's small. It's not only just small across here, it's also very short. Like, it's barely coming to my waistline. I don't think it's supposed to be cropped. I just think this particular sweater is running small. So this is definitely a no for me. Like, I can raise my arms, but I could feel it like hiking up on me. Like, I have to feel like I have to pull it down. It doesn't help that I'm also wearing it with these pants, the Violets and Roses navy corduroys, which are a little snug. I can fit into them, but unzip them. The elastic band helps. But they're also like low rise. I mean, they're just coming to the top of my behind. If I bend over, I'll probably give everyone a show. So no to these, they're just too low rise. I'm not quite sure what the deal is with these. They come below my belly button, so that is definitely for me low rise. Usually mid rise is at my belly button. So definitely no for these, definitely no for the sweater. I will try on the athletic shirt next, so give me a minute. Okay, up next is, I don't know how you say this, VUORI, V-U-O-R-I. I'm not familiar with this name brand, but this is a really nice, super soft material. I'm not fond of the zipper thing here because I would never wear it all the way zipped. It's too confining, and I don't like how it flaps down either. So that would be a no, and it is just way too cropped for me. I prefer something to come to my hips. Surprisingly enough, there is enough room up in here. I didn't think there would be, but there is actually plenty. So I would say this is true to size, and it's just a crop style, which is just not my thing. So this will be going back, but it is really nice. So if you like something like this, I would definitely recommend it. So here's the back of it. And I did put this on with my high-waisted leggings to see how it would fit with this, and it's just still too cropped for me. I don't like the crop style. I can raise my arms and be fine, but I prefer it to come a little bit lower. All right, so definitely nice quality. I would have kept this if it had been a little bit longer and like maybe a scoop neck or maybe even a crew neck. It would have been mine. All right, up next is the blouse. Okay, next up is this Fortunate Ivy blouse, and pre-pandemic Carolyn would have been all over this blouse. This is a very nice fitting blouse that, you know, I can't say a bad thing about it. It's nice and stretchy because of the back. It has the bell sleeves, which I absolutely do love, and they're not coming all the way down, so they shouldn't be bothering me as I'm typing away on the keyboard. It just has a nice fit. It has the cute little button detail. I dressed it up with my little necklace here. I threw on the jeans I was wearing today. I would not wear these jeans with this blouse, but I just threw back on the bottoms I had because I thought it looked better than the leggings I was wearing. So let me show you the back of it, you know, so you can see the knit material in the back. I really like this blouse. In a heartbeat, pre-pandemic Carolyn would have purchased this blouse. It's the right price. Now that I am not going into an office and I have a closet full of blouses, I just simply cannot justify this blouse. It's a shame. It's a beautiful blouse. I would have kept it otherwise. Price is right, fit is beautiful, love the details, the bell sleeves, the little buttons, very cute. But yeah, I just can't justify it when I literally will have nowhere to go even once COVID is done. They already announced that we're work from home. I'll be lucky if I can go into an office once a week. All right, next up is the thing I'm most interested in, and that is the olive cardigan. Okay, last up is the cardigan, and this is my winner of the box. It is almost 100% perfect. The only thing that I don't like about it is the dry clean only tag. Because I won't be wearing it that often, I probably foresee myself bringing this to the cleaners once a year, maybe twice a year, because it's going to be in my rotation of my, let's say, collection of clothes. It won't be worn that much. I'll deal with it. But it is super soft. I love the way it fits. I love the fact that it's a flat front. I like the two pockets, and I like how they're patch pockets and not any kind of thing on the side to add bulk to my hips, because God knows I don't need that. It comes at a perfect length for me. It is the perfect weight. It's not too thin, not too thick. I feel I can get all seasons out of this. I have it paired with the top that I got from at White House Black Market that I've been looking for an olive cardigan to wear with, and I think this is perfect. It goes pretty well. I'll show you with the leaves in this. So I am very happy to have this cardigan, and I believe it was pretty cheap. I believe it was in the $44 mark. So give me a minute, and I'm going to do a quick wrap up just to go over the prices with you one more time. Okay, just for a wrap up, I wanted to go over prices with you. The VUORI, V-U-O-R-I Crescent Performance Top in gray, extra small, $68. You know, I've been pricing around, and unfortunately that seems to be the price for a good quality athletic top. If you don't mind crop style and the high collar, highly recommend it, but that one will be going back for those reasons. The Violets and Roses high-rise corduroy. I don't know whose high-rise those were. Those were low-rise on me, $58. So I guess I would say they run small. Yeah, they don't fit me, and nor do I really need navy. The pink Clover Penton 2-pocket cardigan in olive, extra small, $46. This is a keeper. I'm pretty happy about this. This is exactly what I was looking for. The only fault I can find is dry cleaning, and like I said, I have so many clothes that this is only going to go with a few tops that I wear a couple times a year, so it's not going to need to go to the dry cleaner that frequently. The Design History Bailey Asymmetrical button-down gray, extra small, $68. Overpriced. It's not that thick of a sweater. It's just okay, and it ran short in length. Fortune and Ivy Dorinda mixed material blouse sleeve top in dark purple, $42. Totally worth the price. Totally beautiful blouse. Highly recommend to anyone. I just don't need it at this point in my life. The Stylist picks were $282. My buy all discount is $70.50. The order total is $211.50. So not a bad price for 5 pieces. However, I'm only going to keep the cardigan in this one for $46. Well, thank you again for returning subscribers. I hope my newbies that have recently subscribed to my channel enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. If you haven't liked or subscribed to this video yet, please do. Click that notification bell to get future videos from me. I do lots of unboxings and shopping hauls. My channel is all about the clothes that I purchase. Take care, and until next time.